Tenders by Chef Pachi. Hi, welcome. Today we are gonna make some amazing chicken tenders with rosemary and paprika. You remove the leaves from 3 stems of rosemary, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some pepper and a teaspoon of delicious smoked paprika. And that's it. You mix in 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt for a pound of chicken tenders. And you have an amazing seasoning that is gonna make all of your chicken tenders be deliciously moist and beautiful. Now we put your chicken tenders into this mixture and you can leave them there overnight or a couple of hours, or you can use them immediately. No problem. Any way you use them will be fantastic. Once you have them all seasoned, you preheat your panini grill or your grill or a pan over medium-high temperature. You can also freeze them like I do sometimes and have them ready for any time to make. Place them on a heated grill and I usually add a weight on top to some of them. That way they cook a little bit faster because they are a little more flat. And they take about 2 minutes on each side. Enjoy delicious chicken tenders anytime. You can make them as tenders or as kebabs. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.